Look how beautiful outside, and the weather is good. And look at that sunset. It's a very colorful sunset. We still have a bunch of snow. So we are going to make kutsenta today, and that is our kutsenta recipe, and my steamer is ready over there. So let's go get all our recipes. So itong gagamitin natin, the brown sugar. So I have to put 1 1/2 cups of flour. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of organic cassava flour or yucca root. So 1/2 cup of yucca root flour, cassava flour, or tapioca flour. We're going to use this organic cane sugar. Okay, we're gonna add that. Okay. A little organic and dark brown sugar. And let's get 3 cups of water. We'll get 3 cups. Two cups first. Okay, pour na natin. Alright, let's get 1 more cup of water. Another cup of water. Add natin. So that is 3 cups. Let's get lye water. Let's get 1 tablespoon of lye water. So only 1 tablespoon. Alright. You can just use electric whisk, or I use just simply my fork. Simply fork. Just make sure that all the lumps are melted. Yeah. Look, guy. Atatugtog mo. Alright. So, already. That's it. I think that's all. We just have to put on a molder. Not molds. In a molder. Alright, folks. Meron pang lump. Kailangan natin make sure lahat na-dissolve. So, ayan yung ating molder. Nahugasan ko na. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Okay. That's it. That is good enough. 1/3. So, let's bring to a boil. You have to put those in a molder. Lagay na lang natin dito. Ay, bawag. Oh, it's beautiful. Kala ko kasha. Ay, dala. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I have this ladle. Okay. 3/4 lang. Ay, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng mantika. Ay, didikit to. Lagyan ng mantika pala. I'm using coconut oil, organic and virgin for the oil. Now it's some polish with oil. Patilistahan ko na polish din. Alright, now it's really time to put it. Okay. There you go. Natatapon. Kasama na yan. Now I have the blue molder with oil already, so let's do that too. Hopefully magawa natin to. Sayang naman. It's been a long time, maybe 20 years na ako hindi nag-bake ay naggumawa. Yan na yung ating yellow molder na puno. Ito naman yung ating blue molder. Okay. Nag-boil na, so ilagay na natin. Yan. Yan. Okay. Okay, let's check it after 40 minutes. Now let's check. Oop. Okay, that's the outcome of our kutsenta. There you go. No matter what, at least. Diba? Okay. Lagyan na natin ng nyug. Ayan. Ang ating. Since I don't have a fresh coconut na naigad, I just use the coconut flakes. It works as well, for sure. There you go. Kutsenta kayo dyan. Oh, diba?
More at progressive.com or 1-800-PROGRESSIVE. From Luminescence Foundation.
Arrival, Terminal 1. What's that? Ay. Nakalakba din. How's the weather over there? Is it the same? The same weather, kuya?
Nag-edit arawan.
Is it the same weather?
It's colder there. Actually, like 10 degrees colder than here.
Oh.
Right now, currently.
Oh man, of the
What
job.
time is your work? Is 4 or 6? It's like 6.
Oh.
That's an hour away from home. Usually, did you message me on my phone? No, I just texted now.
Kasi natutulog si daddy. Sabi ko.
And I left my phone too, so I didn't put my phone. Go to the west. I guess Nuri is not home, so that's why I texted you.
On Wednesday, we're leaving to I lost.
Colorado?
Going to Colorado. I don't know who's taking us. I don't know if that will let Jasmine drive us.
That's Wednesday, right?
Yeah, this Wednesday already. We're only working Monday and Tuesday. Ano yun? Saan na yun? Ay, wala. Hindi makita na.
Iwan ng kikay.
Only 140 something. Asan si Borz? Oy! Borz! Hoy, Borz!
Yung sapatos mo nga.
Bakit yung Borz na pangalan mo? Para ka namang ano, soup in Russian. Ay, nako.
Borz means wolf of
Well,
Chechnya.
B-O-R, I don't know, I forgot the
B-O-R-Z.
spelling of the Borz in Russian, that it means soup. I learned it long time ago.
Nice to find you.
Ay, nako. You're still a baby. Your voice still a baby.
He squeaks instead of meow.
Still a baby. You can tell. The voice is a baby, right? Meron ka palang pagkain dyan. Meron ka pang American lager. The heck? Ipupulutan ka ni Tito Makmak. Mahilig sila sa pusa doon. Patay ka.